Here's something I like to use as another sort of training aid, or just a spot. It's like a refrigerator, any old given refrigerator. I learned how to drop these muscly parts of my arms onto a flat surface. Let's say this was a larger opponent, like a big ass motherfucking square refrigerator brick dude. You can hit here, hit there, hit there, hit there. You can always drop this whole upper arm into it. Drop. Or you can drop, slap, switch, slap, bring it back up, come back down, bring it back up, drop into it, bang. Well, I missed a little bit, that was more wrist. But it's like personally, I like to train a whole body. Every part of the body is a striking surface. Like for instance, here, let me show you what would be called a collapsing strike. I'll do it in slow motion. It'd be fingers, drop to this knuckle, drop to this knuckle, drop to there, drop to the elbow, drop down to here. Reverse would be bang, 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 bang. Collapsing strike. Okay. It's like the more solid, more flat surface I can get on it, the better. Bang, bang. Then you turn this little twist into it. Look. Look, here's my body. Straight. Twist. See that? It's like I'm not really using any arm. If I want to, I'll stand way back here and bang. See that? Then I always know if I can come up, I can come low too. Okay, that's a collapsing strike. Good little technique right there by LBP. You just got to be a little careful with it, man. You don't want to go blowing out no one's refrigerator, you know what I'm saying? So if I wanted to, that bitch would be all dented up. You know, my arms would be sore. But, nah. Nah, just use it. Use it just like it's supposed to be used. Gently, kind of like a training partner. You know what I'm saying? Rough but gently. Anyway, hope this information or video can help you in your martial pursuit. You know what I'm saying? Anything I can do that can be informative to you. That's what I like to do, you know what I'm saying? Share the wealth, you know? Anyway, LBP. Over and out.